Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host, Gamer, and today I have just a quick message. Alder Lake Intel 12th generation CPUs will be released on the 4th of November, and it is my understanding that a week before, on the 27th, Intel will be making some announcements, and you should be able to pre-order the CPU of your choice at that stage a week before release. So we're going to have an i9 12900K and F, a i7 12700K and F, and an i5 12600K and F. And the K means that it's unlocked and you can do some overclocking. The F means it does not have onboard graphics on the CPU. So I always recommend that you get a CPU that has onboard graphics if you can, so that if you have a problem with a video card, then you can do some troubleshooting and still get a display. You just unplug your connection from the video card and plug in a connection into your motherboard and your display, directly to your display. So I'm very interested in the 12600K. That would be a nice one to play with. It's got what I call 6 gaming cores, high speed with 12 threads, and 4 slower multitasking cores with 4 threads. So that gives you a total of 16 threads on an i5 CPU. So that is going to be something. I really think so. I've seen some of those rumored benchmarks, and they're looking quite promising. And I think, you know, Intel's finally, after 6 years or whatever it's been, is improving. They're improving. So, and also, I believe in the middle of October, there will be a release of the AMD graphics card, the 6600, which I have seen a picture on the internet of a box from Sapphire, and it said on the box 8 gigabytes of video memory, video RAM. So you really want a minimum of 8 gigabytes these days. If you're going to buy a graphics card that's going to last for a few years, you want that, at least an 8 gigabyte of memory. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary, and don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video. No.